All right, we're back this week playing another round of HGTV's House Hunters Celeb Edition, this week featuring Ellen DeGeneres, NBA All-Star Zach Lavine, and popular TV actor Grant Gustin, over $100 million worth of real estate to review. And then I've got to decide whose house I'll be buying, as is, where is, no changes. You ready then? Let's get to it. You know the rules. House Hunters Celeb Edition. Here we go. First up, we have a 34-time Emmy award-winning television icon, Ellen DeGeneres' 5-bedroom, 8-bathroom, 9,000 square foot, $70 million compound in Santa Barbara, California, splurging on 2 side-by-side properties in the affluent seaside enclave of Carpinteria, making this the priciest residential sale in Santa Barbara history. Ellen doled out $41.7 million for this Tuscan farmhouse-style mansion on 3.4 acres and then paid another $28.2 million for the mostly vacant 6.6-acre plot of land right next door, which currently includes a small lake and vast lawns. The 2 separate parcels create a 10-acre fully contiguous compound with a private pathway leading to a beach below. The picturesque grounds host a marble mosaic pool, 2 spas, an outdoor kitchen, several fireside lounging areas, vegetable garden, and laced with olive trees. Ellen also owns multiple other properties, including 3 charming cottages in Montecito, a $15 million horse ranch, and recently paid $29 million for Tom Ford's Bel Air estate. It's a lot of real estate, but I gotta say, I love this house. 10 acres, private beach access, all the amenities. I don't know who's going to top this, but 2 more to go. Let's see if they can. Next up, we have former UCLA Bruin and NBA slam dunk legend Zach Lavine, 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom, 11,000 square foot, $34 million home in Newport Beach, California. This Ocean View estate is championed behind the ultra-exclusive guarded and gated community of Pelican Crest. Completely redesigned with holistic wellness in mind, the resort-like property is a statement piece that wows even as it maintains a peaceful and inviting environment. The custom estate is set back from the street and is protected by iron gates. Some of the highlights include an elegant bar and lounging area with backlit onyx stone accents, an expanded recreational area that has a full home theater and professional golf simulator. The indoor-outdoor gym area is equipped with a PRX weight system, tonal IR sauna, and designated areas for Pilates and yoga. A property unlike any other, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in Newport Beach. This is like a country club condensed into a house. We got a gym, pool, sauna, spa, golf simulator. You'd never to leave. We got 2 strong contenders to start off. Let's see who's next. Last up, we have an actor best known from the CW's Flash, Grant Gustin's 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 7,000 square foot, $5 million home in Encino, California. This new construction modern farmhouse is tucked behind a gated circular driveway. The striking entrance boasts a dramatic 2-story foyer with soaring ceilings, wide plank European oak floors, and crisp white crown molding throughout. Upstairs, a lavish primary retreat is fit with vaulted ceilings, a private balcony, fireplace, and oversized walk-in closet. Entertained year-round with privacy, hedges, a pool, spa, covered patio, built-in barbecue fire pit, and grassy lawn. Additional amenities include a Control4 home automation system, 3-car garage, indoor-outdoor surround sound system, and an outdoor kitchen, seating areas with multiple water features. The best part about this house is it'll have the lowest maintenance and property tax value of the other 2 we've seen. Is that enough to convince me? I don't know. Well, we'll find out next. So to recap, we have Ellen's $70 million Santa Barbara compound, Zach Lavine's $34 million Newport Paradise, or Grant Gustin's $5 million modern farmhouse. And I'm sure we can all agree the farmhouse is gone. When you got 2 other homes with ocean views, this isn't stacking up. Now, do I want the Italian villa or the reimagined Mediterranean estate? And I'm going to go with Ellen on this one. I love the house, the grounds, 10 acres, private access to a beach. I don't know. Love the stop in that house. Which way are you guys going to go? Let me know. Ellen has a great sense of real estate. If you haven't seen some of the other houses we've looked at hers, go check those out. Until the next video, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you guys then. Bye.